Congratulations! Your neighborhood is getting fiber optic internet from Hunter Communications. Please pardon our dust as our construction teams work throughout the area to build our network. During construction, we may need to access the utility easements on your property. In this video, we will explain what a utility easement is and how it is involved in our construction process. A utility easement grants service providers like Hunter the legal right to access specific areas of your property to build, maintain, inspect, and repair our network. Easements are usually listed on the property's deed and are transferred when the property changes ownership. While we have permission to place utilities within the easement on your property, the easement does not grant us any ownership. Prior to entering your property, our teams will notify you via mail. We will also attempt to reach you by knocking on your door. If no one is home, we will leave a door hanger to let you know that we were on your property to access the utility easement. Sometimes the easement is located near the sidewalk or in another easily accessible area. Other times, the easement might be behind a fence or gated yard. If our teams need to access these areas, please make sure your gate is unlocked. We might also ask you to temporarily secure your pets in a different location until our work is complete. You may notice colorful flags or water-based paint markings on the ground, indicating the location of other utilities, such as water, sewer, and electric. These show our teams where we should and shouldn't work, and must remain in place until construction is complete. The paint is not permanent and will eventually fade away. No matter where the easement is located, our construction crews will be respectful and exercise caution while working. When construction is complete, our teams will restore your property to its pre-existing condition. We thank you in advance for your cooperation and appreciate your patience during our construction phase. To be notified when fiber optic internet service becomes available, please visit hunterfiber.com to register your address. Welcome to Hunter. We are excited to be a part of your neighborhood and bring fiber optic internet to your area. Better connections start here.